Are you tired of one-size-fits-all health advice that ignores how your body really works? Fast Like a Girl by Dr. Mindy Pelz is the ultimate guide to fasting designed specifically for women, helping you harness the power of your hormones and menstrual cycle, or even if you no longer have one. Dr. Mindy Pelz, a leading expert on women in fasting, offers a step-by-step roadmap to reclaim your health. Whether you're frustrated by quick-fix diets, exhausted by conflicting advice, or ready to take control of your metabolic health, this audiobook gives you the tools, hacks, and protocols that have helped hundreds of thousands of women thrive. Inside Fast Like a Girl, you'll learn how to transition safely from eating all day to intermittent fasting, 13 to 15 hours, extend your fasts safely from 15 to 72 hours, time your fasting according to your menstrual cycle or adapt it if you no longer have one, break your fast with the best foods to optimize hormone and metabolic health. Use 2 specialized food plans, Ketobiotic and hormone feasting, along with over 50 delicious recipes, including fast-breaking favorites like Coconut Cacao Chia Pudding. Dr. Mindy empowers women to take charge of their health, optimize their hormones, and unlock unstoppable energy through fasting. Listen to the full free audiobook using the link in the description. Start your journey to better health, improved metabolism, and a lifestyle designed for women's unique needs. Press play now and transform the way you approach fasting.